So coming to exercise 4.1 question number 3. So as I've told you that all the questions of this exercise will be having information of four sides of quadrilateral as well as diagonal, but we have to apply some logic also here, right? So as in all questions, this will be rough part, this will be the fair construction part, okay, and here we will write the steps of construction. Okay, so rough part here, construct parallelogram. So parallelogram we have to construct. The name of the parallelogram is Moore, M-O-R-E. So a parallelogram is figure that looks somewhat like this, okay, as we already discussed in chapter number 3. So the name is Moore, M-O-R-E. okay. Now whatever information is given, we will try to keep that information in this figure, okay. OR is 6 centimeter, OR is 6 centimeter, RE is 4.5, this is RE, this will be 4.5 centimeter, okay, and EO, that is we will join this EO, this is 7.5 centimeter. So when you will look at the rough figure, you will say that, sir, out of the four sides only two sides of quadrilateral is given. So recall the property of parallelogram that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So here only I am writing, since opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, therefore RO will be equal to EM, that will be equal to 6 centimeter. Since RO is 6, EM will also be 6 centimeter, and RE will be equal to OM equal to 4.5 centimeter. Since this is 4.5, this will also be 4.5 centimeter. So now this is an important information that we have to show it in the rough part, okay. Now construction part, now it is simple, right? We are given with the four sides and a diagonal. So the same way as we have done in the previous question, we will proceed, okay. First we have to draw a line RO 6 centimeter. Draw RO equal to 6 centimeter. So using scale, we will draw a line of 6 centimeter. Okay, this is RO of 6 centimeter. Then from RS center and OS center, R say 4.5 centimeter arc we will draw, and from O we will draw an arc of 7.5, and the point of intersection will be named as E, okay. So from R, okay, an arc of 4.5, okay. So from RS center, we will draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter, okay, and then from OS center we will draw an arc of 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so from OS center we have drawn an arc of 7.5 centimeter intersecting previous arc, and this point will be E, okay. So steps with construction, on the same time we can write steps also, okay. So steps will be taking RS center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter, and taking OS center, draw an arc of 7.5 centimeter intersecting previous arc at E. This point is E, okay. Then what we used to do, we have to join RE and OE, okay. So join RE and OE, okay. So from R to E we are joining, and from O to E we will join, okay. this part completed. This is of 4.5 centimeter and this is of 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now what we have to do, now from O we have to draw off 4.5 centimeter arc, so we will reach here, and from E we have to draw off 6 centimeter arc and we will reach here. This will be the point M. Okay, so from O an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so from O point an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and from E point we have to draw an arc of 6 centimeter. So from E point we have to draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Okay, so the same step we will write what we did right now, taking O as center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter and taking E as center, draw an arc of 6 centimeter intersecting previous arc at M. Okay, then what will be next step? Join OM and EM. Okay, we have to join these two lines. From O point to M point we will get one line. Okay, join OM and then join EM. Okay, so OM is of 4.5 centimeter and EM is of 6 centimeter. So last step will be, more is the required quadrilateral. Clear? So as I have told you, this construction consisted of a little bit tricky part, that we have to know the properties of parallelogram. So based on that properties, the construction method is same, right? We are known with 4 sides and 1 diagonal, but the thing is that the 2 sides are hidden in the question part. Okay, so that we have to apply logical thinking over here to proceed with the question. Okay.